Hi, I'm Paul Schumacher, founder of Schumacher Homes. Since 1992, we've had a different approach to custom home building on your lot. We're the ones who build our model homes and design studios right on the highway, so you can come and see them 6 days a week and experience the design and quality construction that goes into every one of our homes firsthand. This is a one-stop shop experience with our design studio right here, so you can see all the latest trends, styles, materials, and options you can select when customizing your home. Come take a look for yourself. We are in Akron, Ohio, located off of I-77 at the White Pond exit. We build in a 50-mile radius from Akron. You can tour 6 model homes in a 25,000 square foot design studio that has all the latest for a one-stop shopping experience for your custom home. There's a lot to see. The Charleston 3 is our newest and largest one-story model, coming in at 3,751 square feet. It features a 2-story walk-in closet in the owner's retreat, something you won't want to miss. The West Point is a 3,718 square foot 2-story model with a first floor owner's retreat, featuring a large dual walk-in closets and a pantry the size of a bedroom. It also has a striking exterior, featuring an offset angled garage. The Santa Barbara is a new 1,917 square foot, 1-story model that is one of our most popular plans. It features a new contemporary elevation with dark siding and black windows. The Charleston is a 2,400 square foot, 1-story open concept plan, featuring 4 bedrooms and a home office. The Windsor is a 3,300 square foot, 2-story with a 2nd floor owner's retreat. Features of this home include a modern farmhouse exterior, a 2-story great room, and a 2nd-story open loft. And lastly, the Olivia is a 2,700 square foot, 2-story home with the owner's retreat on the 1st floor. This home also features a 2nd owner's retreat. This is just a sample of the many plans you can choose from, and we are confident you will find the perfect plan that fits your lifestyle and budget. Go to SchumacherHomes.com to see all our plans. We also offer a free online or in-person home plan consultation meeting with one of our plan specialists to help you narrow your search. Your family, your style, and your budget are all part of the design process. We provide the most comprehensive, detailed quoting system in the industry, spelling out exactly where every dollar is allocated. No hidden costs or unwelcome surprises. Homeowners often tell us that sitting down for a price quote was the best time spent during their home building journey. We'll answer questions that you never even thought to ask. Don't just take my word for it. Stop in and see for yourself today.